This is an overview of the 6 liquids of vitality. Remember, 6 liquids of vitality. And vitality really is important for your new life because vitality makes everything better, doesn't it? If you have vitality in anything you do, that means that you have a lot of forward motion and movement there. So these liquids really give you this idea of vitality, vital. Remember, these are super hydrating fluids. They're all made with water as the main base. Now we have 6 different fluids. Let's go through them very quickly. Simple. The first fluid we use is an alkalized RO water. RO means reverse osmosis, but it's not reverse osmosis by itself. We have a sodium cartridge, fluoride cartridge, we have a demineralization cartridge further on that, and we also have an alkalization cartridge. So that's a video that you really want to take a look at because that's about 15 minutes just to go through. We have multiple parts on it. So 1, you have alkalized water. 2, you have blue-green violet prism water. Okay, now this is a superfood. Each one of these, remember, has its own specific. The alkalized water is for neutralization. It alkalizes your body and neutralizes the accumulated acids in your body. Now, the second is blue-green algae. Blue-green algae, of course, is full. It's a superfood. It's a full, complete food, and it's got all of its B vitamins, especially it's got B12. And it also has 3 monoamine oxidase inhibitors called MAOs. Now, these MAOs are very special because anything you have with an MAO does feed the brain. So as far as I'm concerned, if you have foods that have MAOs, and there's very few, our chocolate has MAOs in it, but the blue-green algae is the best one I found because this feeds the brain. So these liquids that we're talking about, each one, like I said, has its own specificity. This one has also the color, has the vitamins, the superfood, and the color, phycocyanin. So you're drinking the color. Burgundy hibiscus water is number 3. Now, you can see, whoa, what a color. This color is one of the reasons being why we call it a diuretic. It's a detox liquid. So this liquid here, its specificity, as we call it, would be more of a diuretic. It cleans the body. It kicks out a lot of stuff. It's full of vitamin C. It really protects. It's more of an immune system builder, and I would call it a detoxifier too. Now the next one, number 4, is cayenne lemon water as the base, and I use agave. You can use honey too, but the agave works good because I like the 50% inulin. Inulin in the agave is, well, it's about 50% concentrated inulin, and inulin is a prebiotic bacteria that feeds your good bacteria in your stomach and makes you get stronger. So this is the reason, again, why each one of these drinks, they have their special idea. Now, lemons, what do? You put lemon juice on anything and it dissolves the fats, the liquids, as far as the oil liquids. So it's a dissolving liquid. So that's part of the lemon, cayenne, and water with the sugar, and I use agave, like I said, because it has the inulin. So it's a cleaning, dissolving, intestinal type plaque cleaner is what I call it. Let's go number 5. And number 5 is really, this is kombucha. And this is the vinegar kombucha that we make. We'll show you how to make this again. This is very simple. It's made with water, yerba mate tea, and we have a mushroom, if you look it up. It's called kombucha. And this comes from China. It's very old. And we make 2 different solutions. One that we drink. It takes about a week to drink this, and you have to make this in glass because this stuff is powerful. It's full of enzymes, and some of the enzymes that it has, and or the liquids that it has this stuff called hyaluronic acid. It has to do with regeneration. And glucuronic acid, if you look those up, glucuronic acid and hyaluronic acid, you just grew it yourself. Remember, you're trying to become self-sufficient, self-sustainable. This is liquid that actually, remember, doubles for cleaning the inside of your body. That's the lighter liquid. That's the one we drink. And then we make it into about a 3-week solution, and it turns into a very strong, potent vinegar that's really super detoxifying too. Now, number 6 is the fulvic acid plant mineral complex liquid. This is a remineralization liquid, meaning that you're going to drink this liquid because it's full of very old plant minerals in it. And not only is it full of these very ionic plant minerals, but what's also special about it, it has this stuff called fulvic, humic, and ulmic acid in it. And this type of material eats up junk. I've found this to be so purifying. And this is one of the products that we have. If any of one of the products is going to maybe put you in the bathroom a little more than one of the other ones, this will make you urinate more. This will clean your intestinal tract, so you can see that that's going to clean your intestinal tract. The lemon is going to clean your intestinal tract. The alkalized water realistically is going to clean and alkalize your whole overall body. So you can see how all these different parts work so good. But this stuff here, we actually add shilajit. And some concentrated fulvic acid drops. We have 2 videos on each one of the 6 liquids of vitality. Very simply, remember, we're going to tell you about what's in the product. Very easy. These are all products that you can get at Earthshift. And second, you're going to find out how to make the product. And these products, remember, they're not hard to do. So don't get scared away saying, I can't make anything. Yes, you can. And they don't exist in the store for a reason. So make them yourself, get healthy, wealthy, happy, and wise, and we'll see you next time.